Hey guys, yesterday I've done some more CRs for the code. I've also added a new repository that we're using to, actually it's a fork or clone of the Web3 TypeScript types. We found out we needed to update this repository and we don't want to wait for the original committers to do their work, so we're doing it ourselves in our own repo. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today also. So let's hear the team.
Today I'm working on bringing up a network of a few nodes with our application and see that the messages are transmitted correctly and come from an end to an end. That's it for me for today.
Hi, yesterday I've implemented most of the build class. I've started to build the tests, and today I continue to build these tests.
So I just start to fix some issues Shachar found in my code, and after that I will continue with the implementation of mission class. Probably will finish today, and that's it.
Hey Davers, Alec here. Yesterday I went to the Asian Israeli Blockchain Association IBAS event. It was really well done. I got to meet a lot of interesting people from the industry here in Israel and from the Asian markets as well. That was really good. Later today I'm just taking over some tasks John gave me for his short vacation. I'm just setting up some calls for the Dove Alliance prospects that we got, and that's about it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi everybody. New summer day started. Today I'll continue to improve our amazing mobile apps for partners. I'll make new icons, a few new design screens, etc. Also, I'll try make new pop-ups and form in these apps. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Today I am focusing on organization, making sure that all the communications we've had up until now are documented and properly filed, and that we have everything accounted for. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I started working on the expert panel that John sent me. It's a live session with John and two of our advisors, Nick and Sai, and then I edited a DailyDAV, and that's it for now. See you next time.